guys, welcome back to Maths Chat today. I'm going to be showing you how to find the midpoint of 2 points that sit on a line. So get your pen and paper out so that you can follow along easily. To start out with my first example, find the midpoint of -3, -5 and 2, 8. I'm going to write out the midpoint formula. That is, m is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 all over 2. Now you'll notice that that represents a coordinate where I have an x value and I have a y value. Now I get to go through and sub in all of these values. So let's call this 1 and this point is 2, making this x1, this y1 and 2x2 and 8y2. If I sub each of these in, I'm left with -3 plus 2 over 2, -5 plus 8 over 2. Now solving across the top, -1 over 2 and +3 over 2. Now this is as simple as they get, and each of my answers are in exact form. This next problem has asked us to find the value of a if the midpoint of a -1 and 2b is -1, 2. A really good way to start is by writing out the midpoint formula. And from the previous example, you'll remember that it is this: x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and then y1 plus 2 divided by 2. We've been asked to find this a value, which represents one of my x's. So let's call this 1 and this 2. All I need to find the value of a is this part of my formula. If I know that the x value at this point is -1, -1 is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2. -1 is equal to x1, so a, plus 2 over 2. Now I just continue by solving for a. Times +2 times 2. And with that applied, it becomes -2 is equal to a plus 2. Then, to get a by itself, I subtract 2, which means I also need to subtract 2 on my left-hand side. I'm now left with -4 is equal to a. And that is my final answer. I was only asked to find a, and I have found it. That was how to find the midpoint of 2 points that sit on a straight line. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.